Today we're checking out this really cool flashlight which was sent out to me so that I could check it out, give you my first impressions, and tell you what it's been like to be using this little flashlight for a couple of weeks now. So this is a all metal build flashlight and it comes with a removable battery that's actually rechargeable. So not your standard battery, so I'm just gonna take it out here so you can look at it. It's a pretty big battery, as you can see. So it's got no branding on it at all. It comes in a box, of course, and it is rechargeable, like I mentioned, and you can recharge it using the ports that's included with the flashlight. So I'm just gonna twist it back in here, and you will see a little flap right here. So this flap, you lift it up, and you will see a couple of ports. Okay, here we go. So it's got two ports. So one is the USB-A port and the other one is the USB-C port, and you would be using the USB-C port to charge the flashlight, and the USB-A port can be used to charge any of your devices. So for example, if you want to charge your phone, you're out and about and you need a quick charge, then you can use this USB-A port to charge your phone or any other device that you might need. Now it comes with two LEDs inside, as you can see. Now, one is a warm color and the other one is a blue color. So you also get two buttons right here, which are basically what you use to control each of the colors. So it has a couple of modes, more than a couple actually. So we're going to go over all of them. Now, if you press the one on the left, you will see that it shows a blue light or white light, if you want to call it that. If you press the other button, it will turn it off, as you can see. And if you press again the button on the right, then you're gonna get a warm light. So this is a warm light. And anytime you turn on any of the main lights, when you press the other button, it's going to just turn it off. If you press whichever button and then you press it again, it's going to toggle the light intensity. So that was like a medium, and this is a low light, and then it's going to have like a strobe, then an SOS, and then off. So one thing that I like about this flashlight is that every time you turn it on, it's going to default to the brightest mode. I have had other similar, maybe smaller flashlights that kind of have a toggle, so every single time that you press the button, it will turn on in a certain mode, then off, then on again in another mode that's going to be cycling and so on. So with that, unless you have a perfect memory and you remember what was the previous mode, then you really never knew which mode you would be turning it on to. I like that this one will always default to the brightest one. And after 10 seconds of it being on, if you press it again, it's not going to cycle to the other modes, but it's just going to turn off. So I'm just gonna leave a few seconds on right now. I'm going to press the same button again, and you're going to see that it's going to turn off instead of cycling. So there you go. At any given point, if you press whatever button and then you press the other one, it's going to turn off instead of cycling. And both buttons cycle the same way. So again, this is the warm one. And as you can see, it is cycling through the same modes that I showed you with the white light, or the white light. If you press and hold each of the buttons, you will see that both lights, or both LEDs, that is the white one and the warm light, are going to turn on at the same time. So this would be the most intense light that you could ever see. And also worth mentioning is that if you hold it by this and you pull it out, it is adjustable, and what you adjust here is the intensity of the beam. And by intensity, I kind of mean like how the beam is focused at any given moment. So if I turn on whichever light and then I pull out, as you can see, then it is focusing on a single spot. So if I pull it back, it starts to open up to a much broader distribution of light. So this is still very bright and it's very broad, but if you want to really focus in on a certain spot, then you can just pull it out as much as you need to, and then you will be able to really hone in that light until that particular spot. Okay. One thing worth noting is that because you have two LEDs, if I turn on the other one, you will see that it has a different position from the white one. Okay, see? And if you press and hold both, then you will see that both lights or both LEDs are on, and you can see then that because they are focused, they are next to each other instead of being at the same spot. But as you start diffusing the light, they kind of start merging together, as you can see. And I think I can show you both LEDs right here. Yep, there you go. Now, when you have both buttons or both LEDs active, then pressing any button again will just turn the light off. It's not going to cycle in the other modes like when you turn it on with a single LED, okay? So yeah, very useful, very practical. It is entirely made of metal, so very durable. And it's not too lightweight. It does come with this lanyard thing that it is adjustable in different ways, and you also have like a little locking mechanism here that if you press, then you can just pull it out in case you don't want the lanyard. Of course, you can also remove completely the lanyard because it is not tight, it's just like a simple knot. But you can very easily remove it by just pushing it in and then going around the knot. A very simple knot. Okay, you can very easily figure it out. And yeah, so this is tactical flashlight. Very recommended if you want a very bright light, you want to go out camping or whatever. So this is a very, very good spot. One thing that I almost forgot to mention is that you do have these 4 LED lights right here, and they tell you the battery level as soon as you turn it on. Now there is a little bit of a light bleed, so sometimes it's a little bit hard to see whether it's actually 3 or 2 lights that are on. In this case, yeah, it's actually 3 lights that are on right now. And I did leave the flashlight on for a very long time just to kind of test out the durability of this. And it was already in 3 LEDs and it's still in 3 LEDs, so we can safely say that this is going to last for a very, 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 very long time. Again, it serves as a power bank in case you want to use it as that as well. So easy recommendation if you need a bright LED light or flashlight for whatever use. Okay, so I hope that this video was helpful. Hope to see you in the next one. And until then, may God bless you all.